Today, I am going to show you exactly how to get Grok AI tables into Excel on this video on PMN Online. Have you ever been in a situation where Grok AI generated a table during a chat session and you thought, I need this in Excel right away? Well, you're not alone. This process can be a bit challenging if you're unsure how to proceed, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step to seamlessly transfer that table into an Excel spreadsheet. Plus, we'll share some handy tips to ensure the table looks polished and professional as soon as it lands in Excel. Let's start by locating the specific table you wish to export inside your Grok chat. Scroll through your conversation history until you find the grid of rows and columns that you want to transfer. It's crucial to verify that this is the final version you intend to work with. Double-check that the headers are accurate and there are no additional explanatory lines above or below the table that you wouldn't want in Excel. This precaution helps maintain the table's integrity during the transfer. Once you've confirmed your table, proceed by clicking on the Copy Table control within Grok. This feature is typically a button or a menu option located near the table, designed to copy everything onto your clipboard in a format that's friendly to spreadsheets. The beauty of this method lies in its ability to maintain clear column separators, allowing Excel to organize the data effortlessly without requiring any adjustments on your part later. If you spot a general copy option alongside a table-specific one, always opt for the table-specific option. This choice ensures the cleanest and most accurate paste in Excel. Now, let's head over to Microsoft Excel. Open the application and navigate to the cell where you want your table to begin. Ideally, choose the top left corner of an empty spreadsheet. This position is perfect if you want the first row to serve as your column headers. However, if you're adding this table to an existing worksheet, double-check that your starting cell, as well as the surrounding area to the right and below, is empty. This precaution prevents the new data from overriding any existing information. With your target cell selected, right-click and choose Paste, or use the handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. After pasting, notice the small Paste Options icon that appears near your newly imported table. You have two choices here. Selecting Match Destination Formatting will integrate the table with your current sheet style, while Keep Source Formatting preserves the original look from Grok. Regardless of your choice, the values and headers should import neatly, with Excel automatically recognizing the rows and columns to form a tidy grid. In most instances, Excel will adjust the column widths to fit the data and respect the header rows format. If any column appears cramped, you can quickly fix this by double-clicking the edge of the column header to auto-fit its width. Dates, numbers, and currencies are also generally transferred correctly. If anything seems off, a quick format change within Excel should resolve the issue immediately. And there you have it. Your Grok AI table is now successfully integrated into Excel, ready for you to perform sorting, filtering, and analysis, all without the hassle of manually retyping the data. That's it for this tutorial on how to get Grok AI tables into Excel. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.